My name is Luis Fontenot. I am the Chief Executive Officer for Life Changing Training. These are my colleagues Miriam Adler, Director of Health and Safety for our facilities, Haley Bishop, Director of Food Supplies and Logistics, and Matt Bozich here to my left, Director of Human Resources. I want to begin by acknowledging that we made a terrible mistake. We let our lack of attention to detail and our mismanagement by our operations manager jeopardize the safety of the people enrolled in our program. I want to assure you that we're taking corrective actions and trying to be as productive as we can to solve this issue. Over the next few minutes, I hope that we will be able to regain your trust as my colleagues detail the exact different procedures that we're taking in order to ensure that our program turns around.
First, I'm going to be talking about what we are doing to the leadership member who knew all about this but did nothing about it. We have two levels of leadership: the executive leadership, which makes up us four, and then right below us we have the program-specific leadership. Only one leadership member knew about this, and that was the operations manager. Since that one person didn't tell anyone else, and it was brought to our attention immediately, and it was not brought to our attention immediately, so we were unable to fix these issues until it was leaked to a journalist and then brought to the public light. This leadership member was let go without question, and the executive leadership is handling the corrective actions. We will not elect a new member into this position until the issue is handled fully, and until we found someone who understands the importance of communicating with us, the executive leadership, and who will ensure that each program member will receive the best care during their duration in our program. Now that we have made it clear about some of the actions we will take to the leadership member who knew all about this but did nothing about it, Miriam is going to be talking about what we will be doing with our new training facility.
We understand how bad of a problem the roaches and mice in the living quarters was, and we want to ensure that this will never happen again. We have also found a brand new facility that the Life Change Training executive leadership will be paying for. We will also be paying for bi-weekly cleaning service to come in to make sure everything is clean and safe. This cleaning service was recommended by the University of Kansas, so we know that they will be well equipped and trained to keep our facilities clean. They will come Mondays and Wednesdays and be equipped to teach the homeless about personal hygiene. These cleaning professionals have had extensive training and know how to keep a facility of this magnitude safe for all of our program members. Bed Bath & Beyond has also offered to donate 30 mattresses and sheets to our brand new facility. This facility is located 5 miles from the KU campus, so we can schedule more volunteers to come and make sure that everything is running properly. The executive leadership team will also be coming once a week to the new facility to make sure that everything is running smoothly. Once the mattresses and sheets are delivered from Bed Bath & Beyond, the 4 of us will be personally making each bed to ensure that the new items are clean and up to our standards. Overall, we will be doing the best that we can to ensure that this never happens again and the homeless people in our program are treated with the respect and cleanliness that they deserve. Haley will now be talking about the food issue that we had.
Now I'll go about how we are handling the issues with the lack of providing high-quality food to our program members. As the executive leadership, we are unaware of this issue, as we thought we were receiving food from a trusted supplier. Immediately, once we became aware of this, we seized the distribution of the food and a low-quality food supply. The contract with our old supplier has been terminated, as we lost all trust that we once had in them. Since we had experienced these unforeseen circumstances, we did more in-depth research before signing a new contract with a different, more established supplier. Now that we are more cautious with the food supply, we incorporated many precautionary statements in our new written contract to protect our organization from experiencing anything like this ever again. This new supplier was really willing to work with us on the efficiency, as they're aware of our situation and the importance of getting the new food supply to our facility in a timely manner. We've been fortunate enough to receive food donations from both our partner, the Lawrence Community Shelter, along with food that's been collected from food drives at local churches in the Lawrence area. This has been of a huge assistance during this time period, as we wait for our new, fresher food supply to arrive. We ensure that the program members are still receiving the food they need to have the energy to get the most out of their time in the program. We are grateful for these food donations as they allow the program members to continue to reach each stage of the program on time. If we were not able to provide food to each person, we'd have to then send them to the Lawrence Community Shelter, which in turn would postpone future programs. This would hurt our mission of helping the greatest amount of the homeless population in Lawrence to receive the proper job training in the most timely manner. Lastly, Lewis will share our closing thoughts.
Again, on behalf of the entire Life Change Training Organization, I'd like to apologize for what our program members had to go through. I want to stress that as we've outlined in this press conference, we are making steady and consistent progress to solving all the issues that resulted in this crisis. Over the next few months, we expect a complete turnaround and revision of our project, and I hope that you will continue to work with us and we will regain your trust over time. Thank you.